Toned milk. Toned milk is a type of milk that has been treated to reduce its fat content while maintaining its nutritional value. Definition: toned milk is made by diluting whole milk with skim milk or water and then adding some amount of skim milk powder. This process reduces the fat content of the milk. The standard procedure involves adding about 1 part of water to 1 part of whole milk along with a small amount of skim milk powder. The mixture is then homogenized and pasteurized to ensure safety and uniform consistency. Composition. Fat content. Toned milk typically contains about 3% fat. Nutritional value. The nutritional content remains balanced with essential nutrients such as protein, calcium, and vitamins, though with reduced fat content compared to whole milk. Let's look at the benefits of toned milk. First one. Lower calories. Due to reduced fat, toned milk has fewer calories than whole milk, making it a suitable option for those looking to manage their calorie intake. Second one. Calcium and protein. It retains a good amount of calcium and protein, which are essential for bone health and muscle maintenance. Third one. Affordable. Toned milk is often more affordable than whole milk, making it accessible to a broader population. Toned milk can be used similarly to whole milk for drinking, in tea and coffee, and in cooking and baking. The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India (FSSA) has specific standards for toned milk, including the minimum percentage of fat and solids-not-fat S&F content. The usual specification is a minimum of 3% fat and 8.5% SNF. Toned milk provides a balance between nutritional value and lower fat content, making it a popular choice for health-conscious individuals and those managing their diet. It is widely consumed in various forms and meets regulatory standards to ensure quality and safety.